life again. If you talk that thing, your sometimes lose your head. Madam, you would not talk when I'm talking. Mary, you would not talk when I'm talking. If I'm going live, it's my decision. You will not tell me to not go live. It's not going to say anything. Mary, what I'm asking, what I'm telling you is, when we are having issues, you took the matter to court, right? Everybody knows about it. You took the matter to court. Don't make it and go court. And you were asking for property 50-50.
I was wondering who wrote it.
Who now wrote it? Who now? You didn't whine me?
Did I ask you for it?
If you think I'm stupid, you think I'm that dumb? No, if you think I'm stupid, you think I'm that dumb? You carry Matabo courts. You say you want property 50-50.
I'm not the one that said.
And you not say all the property. And they put that for your name and my name.
That was fighting between it's not me.
It's your family. You should be ashamed of yourself. You said it's your family that is fighting with me. No, your family that is fighting with me, not you.
For one day to ask you for
Maybe calm down. If you lie now, everybody is watching you live here. Everybody is watching you live here. Madam, now you're building a house. Quite alright. That house, that house. You bought it through of us. I know you are building one. I know that one. That one you bought it through. It is not going to say the secret will come outside, madam. That house you bought it through of us. Okay, true, you bought it. With which money? What are you working that you bought? That you buy the house, madam?
This is where my ex comes in. You don't know the business we did together.
Which business?
See.
This guy, they lie. You they lie. Which business when you are your ex? I want to know. They tell people for life.
For me to have gone.
They tell people for life when they hear you.
Do you think I would just go to any public place to go and meet?
So your ex now, the business people did that, and that house you have been building it. The other one you have been doing it. People they yes course. Are they yes course?
Because she did not sit me down.
Because I did not sit you down to ask. You must be stupid, Mary. You must be stupid, Mary. So you even have property that you are even working on, and you tell me say I go share. You took the case to the court, madam. Jeez. Okay, do you know we are going to have misunderstanding? That's what they're trying to say. And you took me to court. Now you're telling me that, do you know you are going to have misunderstanding? Now what did they talk? No, explain now. What did they talk from house now? Okay, what I'm trying to say now. That property now you're working on now. Can you write it in my name? I want to own that property. Since you said you are a changed person, right? You want your husband to forgive you. You want me to forgive because I know you very well. I know you're pretending already. Since you want me to forgive you, can you write that property in my name? Or better still, our name. I ask you a question now, madam. It's better you are in this room already because you never cross your feet in my room. It's better say make you did this room because you don't ever cross your feet for this my room. So answer me now. What did I try to ask you now? Answer me this question. Are you willing to write your property in our name or in my name?
Is that what you want us talking about on social media?
Now you are telling me that this is what? Who do not know that you're roofing a house and you're building a house?
I don't know that took it out there.
I really don't know that took it out there.
I was building a house until you.
But you posted it. I knew about one. Mary, I knew about one. Mary, I knew about one, which is the old one that you were roofing.
Now you let people start hearing our voices again.
Madam, don't tell me to bring down.
I don't like this.
Madam, what I'm asking you is, you're telling me to bring down my voice. Madam, the thing is that I knew when you were roofing it. I was told. For this life, not everybody will like you. I was informed. You were roofing it. And you're building another house. That house you are roofing, you bought it. And you lied. You lied on social media that is your family house. But
it's not my family house.
It's not. Maybe you bought that house. Stop lying. You bought that house and that other one you were building it. Now I want that house to be in my name. If you really want me to accept you in this house, Since okay, you can marry you know how to pass me, Abi?
Because of property, you're going to accept me.
Madam, yes. I want you to put that house in my name or in our names. Because when I was having properties in this house, it was also in your name. Sometimes I buy things with your name, not my name, Jeff. Because I don't fancy all those things. But now I don't get sense. Don't say all those things. It really they necessary. It really they necessary because at the verse now they talk this thing. It really they necessary to buy things. For the person will say, you, me, from today henceforth, if I buy things without my name, the man will think of some. I'll buy things with my name. Since I know that anybody can fail you, you don't have to trust anybody in this life
The
again.
way that house came out was not the way I actually wanted it to come out. But you just went ahead and quickly posted it. And how do you expect me not to talk?
Oh, really? Is it what you have to say? Now, what you got to talk? I want that house to be in my name, or rather, the both of us names. I want to make it day like that. You know no sense. You don't know something past me. Rather, I want to make it day like that. Make it day for our both name, or make it day for my name. You, God will judge you.
God has seen my heart from the beginning.
God will see your heart. Your heart is as dark. Madam, your heart is as dark as charcoal.
It's not. You made everything.
Then, what I'm asking is, you are lying on social media.
Lying about what?
Mary, you're lying on social media.
Lying about what?
You came online, you told people that that house is your family house and you're roofing it for them.
I don't know.
Why that house you bought it?
What you mean?
You bought that house and you were roofing it. You said, why do you tell me truth, Sana? Why you didn't lie? I guess you know what I'm saying? You're the one that said truth right now. You said yes, you bought it. And now you're asking me who told me. Who you want to be savage right now?
Someone actually told you, right?
I don't care.
You don't care.
I don't care, but what I'm asking is, Madam, let that house be in my name. Or the both of us name.
This is not a conversation online.
It's not a conversation online. And they see who want to toss me, I forgive you. And they see who want to toss me, I forgive you. And they see am. And the idiots. And I tell me, I forgive you. And this. Madam, I want that house to be in my name. Rather, let that house be in our name.
You know why we cannot sit down and talk?
We cannot sit down and
Why
talk.
can't you sit down and talk?
Madam, we don't have to sit and talk. Since all this while I've been sitting and be talking, what you don't bring to the table?
You're the one always using violence.
Madam, what you don't bring to the table since the one will be so they sit, they talk, what you don't bring to the table? Your big mommy knows everything about this. Your siblings knows everything about this. Your brother knows everything about this. And your brother will come to my house every day, be telling me, we're going to share the property, we're going to share the property. My own property that I worked so hard for. My own things that I bought, I worked so hard for.
Did I ever come and say that?
Okay, you said something like that, madam. Stop lying. You're lying. People are watching
When
you.
did I say I was
You see why I'm putting everything on social media?
When did I say I was
You see why I'm putting everything on social
I
media?
don't like this kind of
Me being with you, I
I
cannot
never said I
trust you
wanted to share your
again.
property. Am I the lawyer?
Madam, okay, are you not the one that will go to the lawyer?
I only said I wanted to collect the divorce
Madam,
paper. I didn't
you're a
ask them to
liar.
write anything 50-50.
Madam, you were a liar. Ah! You're a bloody liar. You saw this what you do? You were a devil.
You keep calling me names.
Madam, you are a devil. There's nothing you can do about it. I know you so well. I know what you're capable of doing. I know what you can do. Madam, in fact, you're a Jezebel. Mary, it's not this thing you're saying now. You're denying it. Something that is online already. Every time you pick up your phone, you go live, you insult me, you drag me on social media, and now you're denying it.
Who started?
And now they see why they go live. And this
You
yam.
don't understand how you're going like.
And now you are
started.
denying it.
You actually started. You started insulting me first.
Okay, fine. I started it. I insult you online. Does it mean that you also come online to embarrass me?
So you can embarrass me right now.
Madam, I'm asking you this question. Since you say I started it, does it mean that you come online and embarrass me also? That's what I'm asking you. Answer me this question. Mary, there's a cockroach in the cupboard that you're not. There's something that you're not saying. There's something you're not vomiting. You have mission. Despite my pastor is calling me to beg on your behalf. Everybody is calling to beg on your behalf. Mary, you have mission, and this time around it will not succeed. Since you say I should forgive you, and since you said you have nothing in mind between the two of us, what I'm asking you is, can you write that property in my name? Or rather, the both of us name? That's what I'm asking. But I'm answering your question. Answer me the question. Can you write that property in my name? Or rather, the both of us name? Is very necessary. The question is very necessary. That's what I'm asking. Can you do it? You're building a house, right? Quite alright. The truth has come outside that you actually bought that house that you were roofing. Probably. So can you write that property in my name? Or you write it in the both of us name if you really want to stay here? Mary, I'm talking to you. Not let me to raise my voice. Can you write that property in my name? Or rather in the both of us name if you really want to stay in my house? I said, Mary, put that house in my name, or rather in the both of us name. Okay, now you don't want to answer me, Abi?
No, tired of this argument.
Mary, now you don't want to answer me, Abi? Everything I bought in this house, everything I own, I almost write everything in your name. Most of them is now both of us name again, and you know about it. The last time I bought my other Rolex wristwatch, it was in your name. My other Rolex wristwatch was in your name. The 2 cars was in your name. When I'm talking to you, the 2 cars was in your name. Almost everything I had was in your name. Now, you know they do something now. When we say because of say you get one bad intention now, you cannot put it in my name or in our name because you have plans. You took me to court because you have plans. But maybe I cannot take this rubbish with you. You have something that you're not saying. Before tomorrow morning, if you cannot put that house in my name or in the both of us name, maybe I want you to leave this house. I cannot forgive somebody like you. I want you to leave this house. On a Amabi, she dey build house. She buy the other house. Oh. That other house, she bought it. She cannot put it in our name. We are husband and wife, right? People that are begging me to forgive Mary, bring her back. She dey build house. She put it in her name. Everything. Now, okay, now we don't settle. You don't say we don't settle, we don't get together. Put it in my name or in the both of us name. You dey get sense for where I dey. Now, person want to talk to me, I settle down with. She's leaving my house first thing tomorrow morning if she did not do it this night. I swear. You are leaving my house tomorrow morning if you do not do that in this night because I know you. I don't get too much talk to do with you. Since you dey pretend, I don't say you dey pretend. I know you've been pretending. You've been pretending. I know it.